Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today we'll be making Android 18. Now this is the best I could do. Her hair is obviously a little off. This is the closest I can get to her hair. If you're a fan and you know what she really looks like. And
But before we get into that, hit my intro.
this is the closest I could get, but I'll put up a picture right here so you can compare, see how good I did. So anyways, let's jump right into it. So we're gonna go to face. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this skin tone right here. Let's go down to her hair. I picked this one right here. Like I said, it's not the best one, but this is the closest I could get. The best it could look. You pick this color right here, this blonde right here. It's the best one there is. Let's go down to the eyebrows, and I picked these right there. And then position, you can pause the video and get that. Those are the eyebrows I picked, and then the color is a little darker, so I want to pick that one. Alright, let's move on to her eyes. So I picked those, position, pause the video, and then her color is right there. Alright, so let's move on pretty fast. If you have to pause the video, go for it. Pick that nose right there. Pick that one, position, get that. Her mouth, pick down right there, position. I'm gonna get that real quick. What else? Facial hair. There's no facial hair, no mole. Obviously a female, and yeah. I think I have it on male. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. That's Android 18. I made a Android 17 video. I'll leave it in this video right here if you want to click on it on the left corner. Android 17 video came out a little better than this one, but anyways, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and like always, don't forget to go hard.
Gotta go hard, you gotta go